The Delta variant and the speed at which it spreads is becoming the top cause for concern when it comes to the coronavirus.
The trend of more COVID patients going to the hospital is climbing. Hospitalizations have reached levels we left behind months ago, with 44 more patients in the hospital today than yesterday. The state health department says that since May, 94% of all the positive cases are in unvaccinated patients. And those are the people who are often spreading the more serious Delta variant.
It's not just confined to Louisiana. I really want to encourage everybody to look at what's happening in Mississippi, a state that has the lowest vaccination rate in the country. They are seeing tremendous increases in hospitalizations and in cases for the same reasons that we're worried about today.
Another COVID hotspot that's emerging right now is along the Bayou region of South Louisiana, and that has health officials urging more people to get vaccinated. In parts of Lafourche and Terrebonne parishes, vaccination rates are behind the national and state averages. Tan Trung visited the area today to see why some people are hesitant to get their shots.
Life may move a bit slower along the bayou, and right now that can also apply to this region's rate of vaccinations for COVID-19. While 47% of the New Orleans region is fully vaccinated, the region that includes Lafourche and Terrebonne parishes is only at 35%.
I got friends of mine that said they wouldn't get it, you know.
At Spar's Seafood in downtown Thibodaux, some customers who are fully vaccinated can see why there may be hesitation in getting shots.
I do understand that they would like to see more research done on the vaccine and the efficacy of it. I do see that.
Lynette Hebert works with people with disabilities.
We had several of our folks who had COVID, and two of them barely made it out with their lives.
For their sake and her own, she got vaccinated early on. She can't understand what's holding others back from doing the same.
I really don't understand what the concern is there, because it's been tried and tested.
Complicating the lagging vaccination campaign here is a recent uptick in COVID hospitalizations. Health officials say a vast majority of the people ending up in the hospital with COVID have not been vaccinated.
We've seen at least a tripling from about 10 on a daily census during our lull to in excess of 30 inpatients a day across the region.
Dr. Chip Riggins is the regional medical director for the Louisiana Department of Health. Riggins says while there's still work to be done to sequence the strain of the coronavirus that may be driving up infections, it's likely the more contagious Delta variant we've heard so much about.
It's looking different, it's feeling different. We're seeing the increase in transmissibility that we know is characteristic of the Delta variant.
As we've heard for months, Riggins says our best protection against COVID are the vaccines. Some wonder if that message hasn't gotten through yet, then when will it?
There's no end to it unless people are in agreement with being vaccinated.
In Thibodaux, Tan Trung, Eyewitness News.